Hi there, Amit here for Advice Media, and today we are here at the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 launch event in New Delhi, and here is the quick hands-on the same. The first thing what you find on the device is the few sensors on the top, following which you have the 5.7 inches display with the physical home button at the bottom, and along with that you have the speakers, the micro USB slot and the microphone at the bottom. On the back you have the camera and the LED flash. And when you talk about the device, you get the few different home screen panes which you get with the few widgets on the home screen. You can scroll around, and this is actually the S Pen which you get with the unit, which is actually same as the S Pen which you got on the Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Let me go to the settings area and show you the options available here. So first thing, under the controls you get the motions features, which is generally a feature which was actually available only on the Samsung Galaxy S4, and now it's actually available on this device also. The air gesture features are also a part of this thing, and these are few different motion control features which you get on this device. Talking about the device itself, it actually comes with Android 4.3, that's Jelly Bean, and we really hope that Samsung would actually push the KitKat version, that's Android 4.3, on this device soon. Talking about the developer option, you could just have to tap on the build number few times and you will be actually getting the access to the developer options right away, and which would be available under the general area itself. It's an option which is not useful for everyone, but it's something which a developer would need. Let's go to the other option, that's the safety assistance, which is again a feature of safety, and it was again available only on the S4. The next option is about the storage, wherein this device actually comes with the 32 GB of internal storage, which is actually pretty huge, and out of which 24 GB is actually available for you. And that's pretty interesting because the earlier version of Note came with just 16 GB. The next part is about the pre-installed apps which come in this device under a new folder called Galaxy Plus and the Samsung, which come with a few Galaxy Note 3 specific applications, and which are pretty interesting. You actually have to try it out to know more about these applications. Talking about the camera, the device comes with a 13 megapixel camera, and these are different modes which you get, like the drama shot, the beauty phase, animated photos, and few other options, which are generally, again, most of these options are available on all the other top end smartphones from Samsung. Let's go to the camera settings and show you the options available here. The maximum option available here is the 13 megapixel option, which is generally not selected by default, and you get the 8 megapixel option selected. You have to actually select that option and then proceed with that. Under the video, you have the maximum option of 1080p video recording, which is actually an issue with the chipset which you get on this device. The US version, that is the LTE version of this device, actually comes with the Snapdragon based processor, which actually supports 4K video recording at 15 fps, but the one which we get here is the Exynos processor based, the quad-core 1.9 GHz based processor based device, and that supports only 1080p at 30 fps. Let's move on to the next feature, which is very important. That's the air command feature, which is a feature of this device, and it actually comes with 5 different options. That's the action memo and few others. The first one is the action memo, which actually allows you to write instantly on your device and convert it into useful content. Like, let's say if you write a name and the phone number, and if you try to save the same, it would be actually saved to your contacts of your device. That's the phone contacts area, and you can again get the same back. So that is a pretty interesting feature which you get on this device. And the next option is again the scrapbook feature, which is actually pretty interesting because you can actually start writing on your device, and the same content would be stored onto your scrapbook. So let's say you're watching a video and you would like to save the video somewhere, then you just have to go to the video application and select the scrapbook option, and then just make a small circle anywhere, and the same would be saved to your scrapbook. The scrapbook comes with few options like different categories, and you can select the respective category and save your video. The next time you open up the scrapbook area, then you would get access to this video, and with all the related information around the same. So that is pretty interesting around the scrapbook feature. The next one, which is pretty interesting, is the screen write feature, which allows you to annotate on your captured images. So let's say you are on a screen and you would like to quickly write some information on your device, then you just have to enable this feature, that's the screen write feature, and then start writing on the same. So let's say you're on a phone call and you would like to write down a phone number, then just capture the screen and start writing the information on the screen itself. So that's about the screen write feature. The next feature which is pretty interesting is the S Finder, which is actually a feature which allows you to search the whole phone and also the internet. So it's not like Google's widget which actually just searches the web, but this one actually searches the phone also, along with that also searches on the web. So let's say if you would like to search find some information like a mobile number, then it would first search on the phone and then it would connect to the internet and then search for the same content. Since we are right now in the event, we don't have good internet connectivity here to show you the demo of the S Finder application, but that is what the actual function of this feature. The next option is the pen window, which allows you to draw to perform another simple task. So let's say if you are in the middle of some application and you would like to get some work done, then you just have to draw a small rectangle on your device, and it would take you to a shortcut of different applications which you generally would use on a regular basis. So let's say I'll just show you a demo of the same. Select the option of pen window and then you just have to draw a small rectangle, following which you would get a option of selecting the right shortcut. Like you get access to the calculator, you get access to the clock widget, the YouTube application, the browser. So most of the applications which you use on a general basis or regular basis would be shown up to you. So that is pretty interesting feature. That's the pen window feature. The Note 3 would be available with the Flip Wallet, which is a premium lineup dedicated to the Galaxy Note 3 in different color variants, and also with S View covers, which are also available as a bundled up product with your Note 3. And this ends a quick hands-on demo of the Note 3 and the features which you get on this smartphone. Do like this video if you appreciate our efforts, and let us know in the comment section if you have any queries around this Android smartphone.